This is an episode that needs to be welcomed live because I'm blushing, Staba, and I'm really excited about this idea.
This idea that we're doing a live show.
Listen, it's gonna be a blast. So we have the pizza base, we have a standard capricciosa, which means cheese, ham, mushrooms, but there won't be any pizza sauce. There won't be that tomato Neapolitan one.
Krzysiu, just one word, no?
Yeah, pizza sauce. What else? Sauce.
For pizza?
But I said it in English. Instead of pizza sauce, we're making something totally different and crazy. It even rhymes. We'll try that pizza later and we'll freak out at how delicious it is. I'm making pizza with Rio Mare tuna paste, which is 3 times more expensive than this pizza.
I know how much it costs. It's expensive, right? And I'm making pizza with
Chicken broth with semolina.
And I think it's blended so well, so smooth that it just can't go wrong.
And you are making...
We'll start right away with NRG Tiger Power Gel with caffeine. Caffeine is now available as a gel. And pasta with tomatoes.
When we reinvent the system and create the best pizza ever, you'll thank us. The oven's already heating up. And now listen, I used to be young and stupid, and you know what I did?
You used to throw away that paper.
I used to take pizza off that paper, Kuba. Me too. So how do we do this? I'd make 4 slices like this.
But it can get confused, right?
Yes.
Dummy Pasha, you'll get mixed up with.
All right, first one.
But do we spread it nicely with this spoon?
Well, of course, why would you?
You won't need to spread them all since this is very runny, but for other things, you will.
The first pizza will be a tuna pizza, right?
No, come on, this is Rio Mare. Expensive, big oceanic pizza, something wild from the sea.
I'm not saying it's bad since it was expensive.
But it stinks. Give me a spoon. No.
No, don't say it. Don't even say it. It's actually called pâté in French.
Yeah, let me tell you, Staba.
You're squeezing it out like sticking little feet to windows.
You know? Oh no, I could make a better paste if I used tuna and mayonnaise.
There were better pâté that had 3% fish.
This is tasteless. Okay, Bar, we've got it. This is it. It won't mix. First pizza sauce, then second.
But it's nice. Damn, will it be too much?
They say it's nice. I'll try.
You have a new one there, take it. Have a sip of the new one if you want. Oh.
Damn, what? Safe?
If you don't like energy drinks, you'll enjoy this one. It doesn't taste like a typical energy drink.
No, it tastes like an energy drink. Staba, you're lying. Its texture is great.
It's kind of fizzy, you know? It's great.
It's fruit soup and an energy drink.
With a bit of caffeine, is that enough?
Relax. Number 2. Man, for us, culinary things are already, I don't know, a normal kitchen doesn't exist anymore. It's all gone.
How come?
Normally, you just spread it.
But this is gonna be awesome.
Yeah, it's beautiful, isn't it? And if this works out with the one for kids, it's a great move because there are a ton of flavors. All the flavors are the same, but there are many of them. Pastechik, should we slice the ham or use these large pieces?
That's what we have, that it's good. Damn, we don't have many mushrooms, but that's fine. If
We don't have many mushrooms. There's still half a pack left.
pizza, Rio Mare, pizza, rosolik. Rosolik.
Paszteto, pomidori, and tiger.
And now for this. Done? Are you satisfied? Well, where?
Is it empty here?
He's coming in for this? Okay, the same amount of cheese, but that's it.
Oh, the same, meaning how much?
I already told you, the same amount.
And the same amount for each one.
Now, some ham on top. Not too much, because in restaurants, you know, that fancy kind, it's never really a meat pizza, right? Do you think that's enough ham? I wish.
There was more, but we really want to check the taste.
Of the original sauce. And not just taste the cheese and ham.
What did they put on the packaging?
Decorate the pizza with selected ingredients, such as tomato sauce, in your face. Bake for 15 to 20 minutes, depending on the amount of toppings.
Oven, right?
Will there be a scream? Because here we have something hot, there's always a scream. Higher, higher, why so low?
But I want to include the second one too.
Well then, that's how it is.
What did we replace? Well, definitely not mushrooms because they're everywhere. Yes. I won't leave this behind.
But it's good, really good.
Good. That's why we kept it. Judging by the colors, I'd say cheese. You're close. There are many types of cheese. This pizza lacks tomato pizza sauce.
So the sauce usually makes you win because it's always ketchup on the bottom, but this one is different. Got it?
But now we don't understand. You know what I'm missing though? Corn.
I don't know why.
You can't use these now. They've cooled off and there's no sauce. I'll take a smaller one.
And what was it with?
Does it depend on you? It smells weird. Oh damn, a bit dry, like teriyaki chicken. The dough is dry, but actually the best part is the base. That's not chicken, that's fish.
That's tuna in oil, tuna paste. Tuna paste, but it's good.
I'll tell you he adds that, you know, and not muscle. Without it, it would be a crappy pizza. But I like it, that's how I read it.
But it's weird. It's too warm. This.
Fish. But at first I really thought it was chicken and it's salmon. This is tuna. Pizza's a fish pizza, but this ham fits it perfectly. Good, everything here works. I can't say that this is a bad pizza. We came up with a pizza. 3, 4, 3. What?
I don't like the taste. It's just this pasta is warm and kind of not good.
All right, let's go with the second pizza. I'll tell you, this one looks orange. Yeah, it really does. And I'm cutting these off for us. But tell me, because I'm a fan of fruity ones, did you maybe add something like that from the records, any of them? Well, you'll be the only one talking then.
Ah, that's good. Let's try it. The crust smell doesn't come through. I know this, but my brain can't figure it out.
Weird.
And this one is more to my liking.
It fits me better, but here I got a bit of a mash. Yeah, like vegetables, peas, just blended like that. Chicken stew. It's too delicate for me, but we definitely got a different pizza.
Here, the sauce is kind of more liquid. I didn't like that the bottom is so dry. He already referenced it a bit.
Well, that one was definitely wet. You're having a bad day today. That one was wet compared to this one. Okay, listen, okay.
I'll compare them in a moment. Look, this one's even leaking, man.
But I'll tell you, he says,
I'm talking about the very bottom. You could convince me it's regular pizza. Christoph, try this one, then that regular. No, this one's better.
Definitely, man. This one is definitely better. Christoph, you're turning into a stunt man.
And do you know what it is?
this one is pointless. It doesn't make sense. This one is nothing.
Because it's that kind of baby food from jars.
Well, the price is obvious. I'll give, 3, 4, 3.
4, 7.
Amazing. Oh, you're moving away again, Christoph. With those reveals.
We created a book for you with a list, a collection of the most interesting and surprising recipes we've come across so far. And many of them were created right here in this kitchen. All the wababeni collected here are tried and tested suggestions. We could actually end our promotional campaign here. But if you like to be convinced with more expressive forms, then I invite you. Now our book puts all the wababeni in one place. The best, most interesting, and most amazing culinary ideas that we've managed to recognize and come across so far are now here in one place. Didn't it work?
Too strong? Maybe you prefer a more calm way of presenting things?
Our book contains culinary recipes called wababenas. That's why the book is called 42 pages. It's an ebook. You can buy it using the link in the description. Still unsure about our product? Maybe an advertisement in the form of a skit. Mom, the fridge is empty. Come on.
Grab the book and check again.
All right, I found it. This is going to be awesome. Now, all that's left is to order the book from the link in the description.
Now we're going with Sebastian's composition. Get your taste buds ready, but you all have the same ingredients everywhere. It's ham and mushroom. There's capricciosa everywhere. It already smells nice. Here are the fruits and some jam. Just a little, yeah. A little, but jam, I don't really know what with. With xylitol, I'm telling you.
Yes, it's mine. How?
Different, completely different. Because this, do you know what it is? Bubblegum. It almost tastes Hawaiian, but it's more like a warm pastry than pizza. Multi-flavored orbit, different. If you like it, you'll like this, but I don't. You can't add ketchup or garlic sauce. It's like Haribo gummy bears, multi-flavored. But no, don't guess. No, don't guess. Because you can't guess it. You're not guessing. Will you give him this product so he can eat it? Do you even have it and do you like it? No. Do you like caffeine? No. You like it? Coffee-like. You like it? Cappuccino? No. Caffeine's fine. I don't like Tiger either, especially in gel. But actually, yeah. Now you got it. Yeah. And now I won't say, you forgot to add that.
Plum. That's I tasted plum.
But okay, I like the taste. Remember, for me, pizza with tomato sauce is a 5, right? I'm moving on. I think everyone started that way.
Reminder 3, 4, and 7. For me, yes, not because of Tiger. I just don't like energy drinks.
Less than what? I don't like energy drinks. I'd rate it a 7 if it tasted like fruit, but as an energy drink, it's a 6. Look at this guy. Daniel Magical converted.
That smells. That's it.
Wait, this is peasant food. Yeah, This is lard. This is the best. But yeah, that's right. It has a strong smell. But this is canned food, I told you. Meat. But it's also dry, I think. But wait, at the end, there's a taste of all those additives. Yeah.
You don't understand since no one can translate them. Weird aftertaste.
No. That's great. You'll get promoted before you realize it. No, all on your own. Do you have a big desk? Pate. Oh, pate. A bit with tomatoes. That kind. I like it, but we should do an episode where we serve sliced baked pate instead of ham. That could be a hit.
Otherwise, when it's warm, it's really not good. When it cools down, it will just be bad.
Because, yes.
Because it has that bitterness at the end, right? Yeah, that's right.
Damn, you can't heat up this pate.
You just can't? That's it? But it smelled like a country corner. So good, you thought. I'll take it, right? Yeah.
Go ahead and take it. There was also pickled cucumber. I'll give it a 4 here. It's a bit worse, but not terribly. And you, Sebastian?
3. I'll give it a 3. I wanted to give it a 2, but honestly, it's not a disaster. No, all right, done?
Wait, let me put on gloves. What are you doing? Are we still eating?
Calm down, you're just starting. Help me finish the episode. Sorry, I opened the oven because our pizza was burning. This is episode 2 and you really need to watch it. It takes place in the bakery. Everyone picks and shows their top episode with their fingers. 1 is tuna, 2 is baby food, 3.
Tiger.
Tiger. Number 4, what if you rate 2 the same? Just use your left and right hand. I know I already do.
3, 4.
All right, I'll give my opinion. For me, number 1 could go straight to the bars. To the bars, yeah. And it would have people who, first of all, order pizza only with fish, because there are people like that. Yeah, with seafood. Yeah, contrary to what Staba said, it wasn't dry. It was the wettest of all. The wettest. The base was good, everything went in well, but for me, it was terrible. Long, I wanted a long line. Listen, thank you for today's episode. I think it was tasty. Try it because experiments really pay off. Listen to Christoph, listen to me, you'll eat well. How was it? Epic, with rice for the kids. We're also recording episode 2 now, so it'll be on the channel. Bye. Remember about the book, definitely. Yes, it's already out.